Hey guys, and in this video I'm gonna help you to set an alarm on your Huawei Watch GT 3. Let's get started, but first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's wake up the watch by clicking this button. And let's click it again to go in the main menu, where we need to scroll till we find this alarm tab with little clock icon. Just click it and then click this plus, and now you can set time in which you want to wake up. For example, 8 o'clock. And you can do it manually by swiping the screen, or you can rotate this digital crown. Let's set for 8:30, just like this. And when you're done, click here. And also, you can repeat this alarm, for example, only in workdays, Monday till Friday. Just click these days and then press OK. And here's your alarm. And if you want to delete it, just select it first and then click this button delete and confirm. And that's all. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.